morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. We're headed back to the beach beyond city limits. I'm in the Alfa Romeo 4C. Here we are in San Francisco, California. Oh, right, here we got a parking spot right next to Jerry. They were nice enough. They were actually holding a spot for this MR2 so they could get these three together. And yeah, they were nice enough to squeeze me in here next to Jerry. And look, right next to Jerry's car, we got a beautiful GTR R33. That's my favorite GTR. And yeah, hoping one day I can have one with a Montana plate. That'd be pretty sick. But yeah, we'll get you guys up in the sky soon and show you what's out here, because it technically started at 7:30 and it is 7:30, and it goes JJ by the Bay right there. But yeah, I guess what I'm trying to say is 7:30 and it's already looking pretty damn packed. So we're gonna get you guys in the sky right now. Jerry's car. We got JJ. And another R33. Of course, I would get it in this color. You guys know me, so they're gonna get the two R33s next to each other. 600 long tail. Something making noise over there. And next to it, that one there. Show you guys the front. There's another, that one's an R32. A lot of people love the R32 and the R34, but I'll give you the front of the McLaren. This thing is so sick. Look at all the carbon fiber down in there. And got the doors up on this one, of course. But yeah, this one's Skittles Row. You got the G. You got the Speedster. C7 Grand Sport. Everyone that has a C7 says get a Grand Sport. It's a little bit wider. Then you got the Huracan and the GTR. Damn, this GTR has a bunch of nice things on it. Really nice. And then we got our friend here with his beautiful 996 and a beautiful Benz next to it. And then we end it off. How's it going? With the Maybach. Wow. This is really nice. I got the bikes up too. What if this guy was just like, oh, I'm not here for the show, I'm just gonna ride my bike over there. Yeah. Like, that's so sick. Check out this Datsun. Yeah, that's dope. Oh, got student driver sticker right there. And a GTR, a few Porsches. There's actually a 1960-ish Impala down there as well. And we got a doggy. How's it going? Beautiful Beamer in this nice green. We're gonna check out the interior because I love this color combo. It's like a caramel, like my snake. The Lambo doors on a C7. That's cool. What's this, RX-7? Some nice body kit. Dude, look at that. That is cool. We got the Audis throughout here. We got RX-8. There's actually a few RX-8s out here today, but there's two. I almost bought one years ago. It was too poor to get one. Here comes the Mach-E. GT, the Mustang. Wow, looks like everyone's just stuck in traffic right now. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. And he's filling her up right now too. Okay, look, we got some nice hatches, and then all of a sudden, what is this? Whoa! Look at that. Yeah, Corvette engine in there, and oh yeah, you can tell by the interior as well. This thing's insane. There's that 350Z that we see here normally that has like a cage in the back, but just the back. This one, on the other hand, is like the whole thing exposed, and yeah, nice new seats, and then everything else just open. That's for weight savings and to keep it cool. So on the Bay Bridge, these are the E30s that we saw. Really nice. Wonder if they're around, but I want to say what's up to them. They're super cool. It was these two E30s and this CRX, and I think, yeah, I don't see the other car that was with them, but maybe that red one, can't remember. She's out. It's a nice color on the 370. And another GTR, and a few Porsches, E30 M3, and I love this color, black with the gold wheels. Man, so much to look at. Check this out. We saw this a few blocks away. Super nice. Oh yeah, Impala. Yeah. Oh, got a few more Audis coming in. I'm gonna get out of their way real quick, but yeah, look at that Impala, really nice. Let me go check out some more lowriders. Oh, look at that Triumph, that's nice. We got a couple of doggos inside the Triumph. That's dope. Tegra, I had one just like that. Man, this is gonna take a long time to show you guys everything. So, ooh, really nice M3 there. And got the clown shoe. Yeah. But this is really nice. One day, man, this is really nice condition. Man, I think it's perfect. Oh, a couple cars rolling in. Cannot find a flaw with this Triumph at all, except for the fact that I don't own it. That might be the only thing wrong with it. Nice little buggies. And that. Ooh, something my dad had a long time ago. He had the 4-door though. I was like, wait. Smells good. Let's see. Cooking up some breakfast. What's up, guys? There you go. Oh, you got the Modelo too? Heck yeah. Nice, man. Oh, bacon wrap too. Danger Dogs. Okay. Right on, guys. You too. What's up, dude? Hello. Hello, doggy. Hi. Look at the Sentra. That's so funny. We got the wagon SCI. Looking good. Alright, this thing's pretty sick. It has no Montana plate, but we got a Vermont plate on it. Vermont, I heard, is a good one. Yeah, to have. We'll just leave it at that. Got the Army Hummers. These come to the beach a lot. Not much. We're beyond city limits. Yeah, really nice. Just gonna go through them fast, and then Toyota Land Cruiser. Really cool. Starting to smell the devil's lettuce, so we're gonna head out further this way. But look at the colors we got here. That's 2000. Black Integra, and then Lotus and orange. Really nice. Yeah, getting back to where we started, we got my 4C with Jerry's NSX, and then R33s. Right now we're starting to approach the area we haven't gone to yet, and we have super sick, look at this. Right next to that. How's it going? Good to meet you. Ooh, look at this Datsun. Super nice. We'll check this out. My shadow's all up in the way. We got the rust on the top. Very nice wing. Super dope. We'll check out the interior real quick. That super nice. Very nice purple on the Supra. I thought it was a paint, but this, I believe, is a wrap. Done really well. Super nice. All right, it's gotten to the point now where the cars actually have to park here on the side. Oh yeah, look at this. We got them on the street now. And got Michael, our organizer here. Still got cars coming on. No. R33 headed out.
Yeah, the kid's not driving.
Yeah, nice Porsche there. Another one there. It looks like we got some bikes coming in as well. And R33 headed out. S2K along with the Porsches. Ooh, look at that. Talking about Fast and the Furious for sure.
Just getting tighter and tighter.
Yeah, right. Oh man.
It's probably a
Yeah, look at that. At the S side, nice white wheels on there. This Mustang.
I'm now on the other side.
Oh, actually, I think I saw this car earlier on 880, but I didn't have the camera out. But we'll take a look at it. The interior, really liking the color on that. We got our friend Ariel and her S2K. She's made a few changes on it, so we'll check those out. Yeah, because this is, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a new front bumper on it. Some different fog lights. Just really gives it a different look altogether. And she has the two-tone paint on it. Also, I think this might be different. Not completely sure. Roof looks the same as it did before. Yeah, looking really good as per usual. Haven't seen her yet, but it was Luna. Super sick. It's a little Toyota. Huh. Oh, shout out to our Lexus family. We got a couple here. We got the S5. Looking really nice. Look how low that is. And then right next to it, a brand new 992 911 with the bacon. And yeah, if you guys don't know, fun fact, there's 9 and then 11. So, or you can look at it as 992. Either way. Yeah, C8, it has the local football team sticker on it. And yeah, I don't really watch football, but yeah, beautiful blue Type R. Again, shout out to our Lexus fan. Looking really sick. Super dope. And we got a LS 430. And you can tell this one is an ultra luxury because it has that what's the adaptive cruise control square on it. And this is very clean. Well, this one's nice and low. Not like mine. Mine is all stock. But yep, you can see the extra switches in there. He also put a different screen. I wish you guys can see inside there, but yeah, it's all VIP'd out. As these two, I'm pretty sure that's from Japan. Yeah, super sick. You got the exhaust tips. That was something I was thinking for my LS430 was the exhaust tips coming out, and of course having it bagged. Yeah, for sure. These are, looks like these are stock wheels, maybe out of a different Lexus. Not sure. All the lovely colors. Was this an Accord? I think it is. Not sure. Yeah, beautiful S2K next to it. Man, yeah, all these Hondas are looking pretty cool. Really liking this. Wow, that's insane. That's super sick. Look at the wheels on that. We got a Giulia. Not too many Alfa Romeos out here today, but here's a Giulia, a Chevelle. Give you a look at how clean that engine bay is on the Chevelle. Super sick. Right behind it, man, this is totally San Francisco. Right here. The 5.0 SSF 50 Hillport 5.0. Man, that sounds good. Yeah. Check out this RX-8. Some crazy stuff going on in there. Check out, we got two examples here of some Z's. Loving this. Hey, there is. We got Doug, and then we got his 2002. We'll talk to him real quick. Yeah. So yeah, talking to my friend Doug. There he is, and this is his 2002, and he drives it and he works on it on his own. This is all his work right there. Super cool. And you look at his interior and all his rally stickers, and he's gonna do some more. Got the back, the famous BMW Highway 1. Definitely cool. And it's right next to an E46 and M2. Good spot, but yeah, stuff is really cool. And I've known him for a really long time as well. All right, we almost made it all the way down, but we got word that there are a couple more exotics that made it out that look pretty crazy, so we'll go check those out real quick. Ooh, before we go there, check out the wrap on this Mustang. Pretty sick. We got an RC. It's not craziness. It's not our friend Vanessa, but pretty close, right? So check out this. Wow, this is cool. Ooh, we gotta check out the back. Look at this. Got all that in there. And look at this. You can be back here, have your gun, start shooting at anyone behind you. We got Russ, we got a sledgehammer. Yeah, this thing's really cool. Look at these Type R's all together. Beautiful colors. Looks sick. Yeah, I like that. So cool. Yeah, we got Integra coming through. Super dope wagon.
510 wagon.
Oh, that's nice. Oh. Yeah. There goes our buddy. What's going on, man? How are you? Look at that. Super sick. Really dope. Okay, here's the cars that they were talking about that came in. And we got a couple of Ferraris. We've seen this one before. And I got that. Oh, nice R33. Definitely my favorite ones. We got JJ by the Bay. Check out his new sweater. There you go. Follow him on YouTube, Instagram. Damn, this is a nice wrap on the Subi as well. And GTS 25T. I'm just reading it off the thing. I have no idea what it is, but it looks pretty sick. It's pretty clean. Look at this little motorcycle here. What is this thing? Oh, someone's taking a picture. My bad. But not sure what this is, but it's pretty cool. Look at that nice wide body, and then probably one of my favorite right there. Hey, how are you? Get out of his way. Wow. We've seen this 996 before.
996 GT3.
Really nice. Listen to that sound. And I actually have the microphone facing me, which is probably the only way you guys can hear me right now. Ooh. What's that? Nice GT4. Got a beautiful M4. Yeah, right next to the Aventador. If this thing. That's V. Jesus. This thing's so sick. There's the front of the Aventador. Damn, I think it's so nice. Next is probably my favorite McLaren. And they're really cool. Ooh, the Oldsmobile. Ah, I love that smell too. Miata. Yeah, don't know where Jerry went, but oh, we got some more cars that came out on this side that weren't here earlier. Check out the wrap on this Bavarian Motorworks. That thing is pearly like mine, and I think this, were these two here earlier? Man, I can't remember now. Got here so early, I kind of remember some things that happened. Okay, I'm rambling, but yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
The wheels on that. Super sick. Sounds good for sure. The way the sounds. Oh, with the sound of the Huracan. Yeah. Yeah. And shout out to Rob. Rob was saying that this belongs to the vehicle versions, and he actually talks to the guy. But yeah, really cool. Oh, yeah.
Check out that plate.
Oh yeah. Oh. To Jay-Z. A couple more more Toyotas than a Mustang. We got another NSX, and we got Jerry probably talking NSX. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We'll check out his plate. It actually says Mad NSX. Howdy.
Hey, what's up?
No way.
Authentic Alexander in a black BMW to move his car.
You gotta go out. You gotta go out.
Corvair looking cool. A few of the cars here headed out. They're gonna head out to Treasure Island for a meet, and then they're gonna drive, and then we'll probably see them again in Alice's. So that'll be another video. All right. You guys hear it? Here, we got the wrap on this. 86. Looking good. Alright, and 6 headed out. Woo! Look at that. That's really good. Wow, beautiful night. Got the Kia Stinger. Oh, black NSX. Yeah, check out the photos on Jerry's Instagram. MR2, followed by an MR2. We got Type R, Type R. More to come. This one's really sick. Bugs.
They drive really
Oh yeah. Look at this pink Accord.
I fucking love that, man.
They got the model wheels on it.
Got another Supra headed out. The MR2.
What's that, bro?
Got the R33. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, wow. LS430. You, oh, yeah.
Hey, Jeremy.
What's up? Whenever you want. Let's go. Who's this guy? Hello, sir. Is this your car? What's up, man? How are you? All right, time to head out. We got Jerry there, MR2, and yeah, it's wild.